We are going to be talking about Kareena Kapoor and Anushka Sharma and how are the analogy between both of them and what we have to say about it. So Mary, just tell us what your views are on Kareena and Anushka.
Hi everyone. Once again, we're back with Dhruv News. What I like about Karina is, she's very bold, and she's always like in her element, and she is bindas. Even during her first pregnancy with Taimur, she was like out in the public and very paparazzi friendly and all with her pregnancy. But with Anushka, it was totally different. Maybe because of the lockdown situation or not, whatever it is. Like they have been very quiet and hush hush about the pregnancy. But comparing both the photo shoots, I think Karina, I love her because I'm a fan. I'm a total Karina fan, and she started her Instagram page with Puma ad. Like she debuted it with Puma. So this would be like a continuation for her maternity shoot, and she's looking gorgeous in the sportswear and everything, like full glow of the motherhood and all. And Anushka, on the other hand, is very sophisticated with the trench coat shoots, and with her style. She is more of like classy businesswoman kind of vibe that I've seen in her maternity shoot. So that is what I observed in both of them. Over to Srishti.
Yeah, so basically, like Anushka has just delivered a baby girl, and
Yeah,
Karina is still, I think she's in the
yeah,
eighth month of pregnancy.
yeah,
So, see, what I
yeah,
feel both of them are extremely beautiful women. Karina Kapoor
yeah,
is she's very pretty, like there's just no doubt about it. Pregnant or not pregnant, she's always beautiful. But
yeah,
for me, as a viewer, what I think is that if you are documenting that part of your life, if you're documenting your pregnancy for the rest of your life, and she trusted Puma with that, Karina, I'm talking about, she trusted Puma
yeah,
with that. So I feel like, of course, it's our bodies, it's our right. We can do anything that we want to do with our bodies, and nobody has the right to comment or judge.
yeah,
We might wear straps, whatever we want, and nobody has the right to judge, and that's
yeah,
fair. See, but I still feel like when you are documenting your pregnancy and you're putting it out there in the public, I still think that there is some kind of sanctity that you
yeah,
should give to your own pregnancy. She is
yeah,
looking gorgeous, no doubt about it, and she always looks beautiful. Maybe there's just no doubt, but
yeah,
I think that she should have, chosen somebody else to do it for her, maybe another brand, and look more
okay,
graceful. She always does it at the same time. Anushka
yeah,
Sharma, on the other hand, she did it for Vogue, and
yeah,
styled by Sabyasachi in the jewelry, and wearing a very lovely trench coat, which was very
yeah,
white. It was very
yeah,
classy. It was very
yeah,
classy, and when I saw the images, I thought, what a classy woman, and what a lovely flow she had, the
yeah,
stomach, whatever the other thing is. So I think it was very classy.
yeah,
Karina, on the other hand, was a little unthinking. I won't say it was bad, but a little
yeah,
unthinking. Like, you need to give that respect to your own pregnancy. That's what I feel. And I'm sure she must not have decided that, okay, this is how I'm going to style myself, this is what I'm wearing. But it's the brand. Like, I'm sure the message behind it was that pregnant women can also, I don't know what the message was, that pregnant women can also go to the gym, wear
yeah,
sports bras and work out. Maybe, like,
yeah,
I don't know what the thing behind that was, but she did look beautiful, there's no doubt. But I still feel that she could have documented in a much more, you know, sophisticated way.
yeah,
That's my
yeah.
view. What do you think?
Yeah. What I think is, Karina during her pregnancy, like I follow her on Insta, so she's always, keeps talking about being body conscious and like being healthy, eating healthy. And she always mentions about her size zero. I think she keeps missing her size zero a lot. So I think
Mm.
that's what she's projected in her photo shoot, like, about the body and the changes that it goes through when you're becoming a mother. So maybe she's confident about it, or maybe she's trying to say that you need to stay healthy, or you go to the gym, or it's okay to be uh, love your body in a way. So maybe she's trying to portray that. But Anushka, on the other hand, she's always classy. I feel she's always like a businesswoman. She's more like a businesswoman than an actress, and she always dresses herself in that way. So maybe that is why she has, chosen Vogue as her photo shoot, or trying to show the motherly glow through Vogue. That's what I feel. What do you say, Srishti?
See, I feel like already when a woman is pregnant, there is too much that's going through. And on top
Yeah.
of it, if you like pressurize yourself with staying fit, that you have to
Yeah.
stay fit during your pregnancy and you cannot have flabby arms and you cannot have,
Yeah.
big thighs. I think that's
Yeah.
just added pressure. So I
Yeah.
think 8th or 9th month of pregnancy, it shouldn't be that much about being fit and being in shape, but more about enjoying and embracing the kind of changes that your body has undergone and
Yeah.
celebrating them instead of
Yeah.
thinking like how soon can I hit the gym or what
Yeah.
can I do to compensate for not going to the gym. So
Yeah.
that's personal view that already pregnancy in itself is a big change and it entails a lot of responsibility. So
Yeah.
fitness, like, obviously it's one part of it, but if you make it like the cardinal theme of your pregnancy and your mindset at that time, I think that's a
Yeah.
little wasted. So,
Yeah.
and if that is what was being projected through the photo shoot, then I think that's a little, maybe it's misunderstood, but I think something else could also have been chosen. And Zarina
Yeah.
is that she's always been very vocal about being a Punjabi. She's always said that she loves
Yeah.
Punjabi
Yeah.
food, loves the paranthas,
Mm.
and she loves
Mm.
makhan. And she's always
Mm.
taken pride in the Punjabi girl.
Yeah.
I feel that's also a very contrasting thing. So,
Yeah.
he was size zero at the time of Russian. I
Yeah.
like we all have
Yeah.
seen it. But even she has gone on record to say that it's not a very easy body type to maintain, and
Mm.
she undergoes so much of weakness, and she fainted on the sets also once.
Yeah.
So I think aiming for a size zero post pregnancy or aiming for like a 24 or a 26 waist post pregnancy, I don't think it's a very valid or a very
Yeah.
healthy sort of ambition to have. So, but I think anyhow, regardless of whatever their themes or whatever their stylist views were, both the women looked gorgeous.
Yeah.
They looked
Gorgeous.
great. We can just wish them very healthy pregnancies with healthy
Yeah.
babies
Yeah.
and healthy life. Post. So, and we enjoyed as viewers watching both the
Yeah.
photos.
Yeah.
And from our side, all the very best to both Kareena Kapoor Khan and Anushka Sharma. And any last thoughts you have about it?
Both of them are gorgeous. One is already a mother now of a baby girl, and one is expecting. So we wish both of them healthy babies and happy life as mothers. And for the viewers as well, it's a good treat for to see both of them in this way. It could be encouraging for different groups, I'll say. So all the best for their life ahead.
Yeah, definitely. I think we should take the best from both and
Yeah,
try
yeah,
to imbibe it. Like for all the expecting mothers, they should try to imbibe it in their lives ahead.
yeah,
Yeah, so that
yeah.
was it from our side, I think, and we'll be back with some other discussion very soon. So, anything else that you would like to say?
No, that's it. Thanks for watching us once again, all the viewers, and keep liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel and our videos. Thank you so much, Dhruv News.
Thank you, Mary. See you soon. Take care.
See you. Take care, Srishti. Bye.
Bye.